So I'm quickly going to teach you how to play that classical piece that I put on my channel recently. It's basically in the key of E minor, but it has a major part as well. So let me teach you the move. So the first move starts with the E minor chord like this. And you play it, everything at once, and then you slide up to the 8th fret. And this is kind of like a rake. And then you do B7, da, da, E minor, ba, ba, ba. And then you do this series of third intervals, 5 and 7. These two strings. I can't sing the note. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. So B7, you just play these strings, 6, 4, 3 and 2. Then you do ba ba ba. Sorry, not these ones, these ones. It's hard to think of the song when you're right in the middle of it. Then up and da, 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 da. So then you do these runs. Wait. Yes, just bum, 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 da, 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 da. Let me just think. Yes, and you go la 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 da, 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 with the A in the bass. G6, and then D7 with the A in the bass, which is actually like an F sharp something, and then B, B7. Okay, so that's part 1. Okay, the cool thing about this song is you can play it slowly and it will still sound good. Of course, you can improvise over it and just change it every time, but that's the way. The major part, it goes from an E chord like this. So this part. And then you do it again. To the C sharp minor. Let's just think. And then actually. That's probably the quickest tutorial for that song you'll ever see. I don't know the name of it. Sorry, I forgot. Bye.